This is the Uniwigs Upgrade Claire Plus. Today we're going to give it a test wash. I always like to give my new pieces a test wash to see how the hair behaves. All human hair is a little different, so I like to see what happens and how they air dry and what kind of texture the hair has when it air dries. Here's how the hair air dried. It has a slight wave to it. After washing, the hair still feels very manageable, very soft. Now what I'm going to do is cut the lace. When you look closely at the monofilament, you can definitely see the dark knots. I'm not going to bleach them on this piece, but I am going to conceal them using a little bit of makeup. That does help to disguise the knots. I am going to use the back clips for security. This piece is going to get some additional customization. You can also cut a very small amount of baby hairs in the front. I think I'm going to cut in a couple face framing layers. So this is going to be perfect for an updo. So again, this is the Uniwigs Upgrade Claire Plus in the color G4 medium brown. It's been customized. I have changed the part. It is a nice light density piece. It is meant to be straight, but it did air dry with a slight wave, which I particularly like.